ISO determines how sensitive your camera's sensor is to light. It's key for proper exposure. The higher the ISO number, the more sensitive to light the camera becomes. ISO 1600 lets in way more light than 100. Adjusting ISO directly controls how much light gets into the camera to expose your shot properly. For shooting outdoors with plentiful light, you can use a lower ISO around 100, but in low light, bump it up to 1600 or more. A bonus of higher ISO is it allows faster shutter speeds to freeze action shots without needing more light. Understanding ISO helps balance aperture and shutter speed for well-exposed photographs. You can easily change your camera's ISO sensitivity through the Settings menu. Modern DSLR and mirrorless cameras can automatically select the optimal ISO sensitivity for your shot. Choosing the right ISO for your lighting scenario is crucial for well-exposed quality photographs. Want to watch more tutorials about photography? Check out additional educational content through this link. Like and subscribe for more free videos from Photo Discount World in South Africa.